All right, so we are going to be going over the carpal bones, and if you look, these are the bones we'll be going over in order: scaphoid, lunate, triquetrium, the pisiform, trapezium, trapezoid, capitate, and hamate. So this is looking at the hand, and if this is the right hand, if you notice, this is the thumb here. So if we look, go ahead and come in closer. And if we look, go ahead and even closer, because we want to get the carpal bones. Okay, so if we look right here, this is going to be my scaphoid bone. This is the scaphoid bone right here. And next to the scaphoid, I have the lunate. If you saw this bone separately, it looks like it's a half moon shape. After that, on the side, I have my triquetrium. That's the triquetrium. And then, if you notice, this is going to be the pisiform. The pisiform is actually a separate bone than the triquetrium, but just because they have to infuse them together here. Then if we go back across the top, I have my trapezium. So this is the trapezium right here. And then I have the trapezoid. This is the trapezoid. Then the capitate. And if you notice, the capitate's right under the middle finger. So that's the capitate. And then the hamate. So this is the hamate right here. So let's look at this now from the other side. And if we were to look at it here, we are going to have the scaphoid is right here. Go ahead and come in closer. The scaphoid is going to be right here. And then this is my lunate. The lunate. And then I have, again, my triquetrium. I'm sorry, yeah, triquetrium. So that's the triquetrium. And again, the pisiform. So, and then if we come back, by the way, if you notice, the pisiform would be under your pinky, below your pinky, proximal in comparison to your pinky. So remember, pisiform starts with a P, pinky starts with a P. If we look over here, this is now going to be my trapezoid, which is under the thumb. Trapezoid starts with a T, and thumb starts with a T. Then, I'm sorry, that's the trapezium. This is the trapezium, not the trapezoid. That's the trapezium. This is the trapezoid. So that's the trapezoid. This is the capitate again. Do you notice how big the capitate is? And then I got the hamate again. And if you notice this little portion here, you'll notice that's the hook of the hamate. That's right here. That's called the hook of the hamate. So once again, we have the scaphoid, the lunate, the triquetrium, the pisiform, the trapezium, the trapezoid, capitate, and hamate. And that's the carpal bones. Okay, so if we look really quick, this is also our metacarpal bones. This should be the palm of your hand. And this is number one. Number one is the thumb. And number 5 is over here at the pinky. These are your phalanges. And if you notice, the thumb has 2 phalanges. It has a proximal phalange and a distal phalange. All the others have a proximal, middle, and a distal phalange. And that'd be my distal phalange right here. So I got the proximal, middle, and distal phalange. Okay, and that's the bones of the hand.